little programmer students of Egypt and Arab world, let's get in and learn how to add the images to our web page. Okay, so it means the image gallery. So already we have added the images. Let's do some styling for the images. Okay, now yeah, so let's get into the style and div.gallery, because my div class name is gallery here, so I'm just using div.gallery. Okay, yeah, and then margin I'm using here, so margin 5 pixel overall it is, and the next border I'm applying here, that is 1 pixel solid. If you want 2 to 3 pixel is fine. Let's give it 3 pixel so that you can easily understand, and the color you can apply whatever color you want. Next, float left and width, that is 180 pixel. Okay, yes, now div dot gallery, so I'm applying the hover for it. So hover, that is border. When you just okay, do one thing, let's give here 1 pixel, and when you go for, when you apply the hover, when you hold your mouse on it, when a hover applies, at that time you can set border as a 3 pixel and a solid, and color whichever you want you can mention it. So let's mention 777. And next, so div dot gallery image, gallery image. For images I'm applying images, I'm styling here, so width 100% and height auto. So auto, auto height I'm fixing here, and then so here you can see the gallery image means, so all the gallery for all the images I'm fixing it up. Okay, next desk. Okay, this is what the content. All right, so now div dot desk. So desk means what description it is, don't get confused. So padding I'm using here some 15 pixel, and text align center. Yeah, all right, it's completed. Now let's get in, save this, Control O. Yeah, so gallery, yeah, image gallery is my file name. Yes, you can see here three concepts, three images I have added, right? You can see the images size are different because the image size is, all the images sizes are different. So according to the size it is applying here. Okay, you can adjust the size however you want. So for example, my second image is looking very big, so its width is fine, height we will change it to 300. Let's see, a little bit it has changed, I guess. Let me make it 200. Yeah, so it is only the style is applying here, this is not that much applying, so only the style is applying. That's fine, no issues with it. Now you can see here, these are just when you hold on it, when you hold your mouse pointer, the hover is applying for the border only, right? You can apply the opacity for it, like the overall gallery you apply the opacity. For example, opacity 0.4 is fine. Okay, let's see. Yeah, you can see the opacity is applied here, right? When you hold your mouse on it, the opacity should be clear. So let's create opacity 1. Refresh. Yeah, see, the opacity is applying here. right? So this is how you can apply the opacity for this. And when you want to see the picture clearly, you can just hold your mouse on it and you can read the description also, whatever description is there, that also you can read it. Okay, this is how you can apply the opacity content. All right, and now if you want to add some more images, like first what you have, how to add the images, first you have to download the images. So go to the Google and scene images. Okay, just go to the images and you just download some good sceneries. Okay, I'll download this one. Okay, just open this first. Yeah, once it loads fully, then you can download the image. Okay, it is taking too much of time. Let's change the different one. Let's see the different one. Yeah, let me download this image, which is my folder. There only you have to download your pictures. Yes, this is HTML. Yeah, so just close this and make it scene 4.jpeg file it is. That's fine, that's all right, no issues with it. And this is also pretty, and you can download this one also. So yeah, let's first download this. Sorry, yeah, let it download first. You have some nice images. Wow, this is so pretty. Yeah. um okay, yeah, let's download this also. Yeah, so scene 5.jpg it is. That's all right, the jpg file it is. Let's go down. mm, um yeah, okay, this is nice. Okay, this is so pretty. And okay, let's see some more. Okay, this is pretty, and this is pretty. You can download whichever you want and just use them. First you have to add them in the development, and then you have to put it the style. Okay, yeah. So all right, let's see. Let me download one more. Background, nature. Okay, let's go for the background and let me add some. Okay, so what I do here, these all are clip arts. Yeah, let me go back. Okay, beautiful, and let's download something from beautiful. Yeah, this is pretty. Wow, this is nice. Yeah, save image. Okay, scene. Okay, 5 6. Please make sure that you are downloading the images, but you are saving it in the same folder, and also you are saving it in a different name. Okay, so here you need to add it. So how to add it, let's see. Again, one more time I'll show you. Yeah, copy this and paste it, paste it, paste it. Okay, this was 3. Let's do it 4, and here also 4, and here 5, 5, 6, 6. But that is jpg file. jpg, jpg, and here also it's jpg. Fourth one is also jpg. Yeah, right. Okay, so let me first check it out. Scene yeah, 4 5 6, right? So just cross check once. jpg, jpg, jpg. Yes, right. Save this and go to web page, refresh. Yeah, you can see here our images are added. So this is what we call it as gallery. Okay, I hope now you are clear with it, and now you can easily understand what is meant by gallery and how to add many images in it and how to add some description to the image box. Okay, all right.